So this video is dedicated to all of my awesome blondes out there. So one of the biggest issues when you're going blonde is that you really need to invest in a good hair care line at home. And let me see how I can word this. Actually I was gonna originally say this was gonna be for double process blondes, heavily highlighted blondes, hair that has really lifted a lot. But I'm actually gonna say that whether you're doing a single process blonde or just a toner, you really wanna invest in good hair care in general, because blondes have specific needs. One of my biggest complaints from all of my clients, including one of my favorite and toughest clients, and I say that in a loving way, my mom, is that our amazing blondes turn brassy. And that's something that can happen for many different reasons. It could be improper hairstyling, lack of a heat protectant, or lack of an at-home shampoo set. When you have a blonde, you need a shampoo set and a hair care regimen that is tailored to the individual. So everyone's hair is gonna be a little bit different, so I can't really give you like a general one-size-fits-all, but the closest thing I could think of is one of my favorite brands that I am completely biased to is Pureology. And I am missing the shampoo because I used the rest of it and forgot about it. But anyhow, I have the conditioner, which looks identical, just different label. This is Pureology's Perfect for Platinum, and this is a hair care line that is specifically tailored for blondes. Or color-treated hair with 4 or more levels of lift. So this is gonna be ideal for your high lifts, hair that is very dry, that is on the verge of breaking. I will even tell you that one of the things that I love about this Perfect for Platinum is I have recommended it to, yes, even my redheads. All of my fashion colors that I do on Friends, I recommend Perfect for Platinum because it really does nourish and revive the hair. One of the special things about Perfect for Platinum is that it has the correct balance of protein and moisture. So when you are working with blonde hair, you don't want to add too much protein. Too much protein is going to cause the hair to get all brittle and snap off. Too much moisture, on the other hand, will cause the hair to get stretchier and stretchier, and eventually you can take the hair and walk the whole wall of China until it snaps and gums off. And that's why you need to have the perfect balance of both. This is, I think I want to say this is all of the line, but there might be a few extra products that I haven't used. But Pureology has a lot of different hair care products. They start with a shampoo and conditioner, and they have a treatment and all that. So anyhow, the Perfect for Platinum shampoo, it is really good. It smells amazing. They all have the very similar scent to it. It has like a slight gentle floral smell that dissipates. It doesn't linger on the hair. It's not super chemical smelling, which I like. And they have the active ingredient of the anti-fade complex, which has antioxidants, but it also has a special seaweed in it. And I remember going to a Michelle Patton class and she mentioned that this ingredient was used to restore old film. That's how powerful this is. So it restores the hair, like our hair is a fabric. So it helps to restore it. And I've actually seen this. Granted, if your hair is super fried, it's not gonna bring it back, but if your hair is decently damaged, this will help it a lot. So I always would tell my clients, we're gonna cut off as much as you'll let me cut off. I'm gonna send you home with this. They would purchase the products, they would use it, they'd come back in 4 weeks or 2 months for a trim, and then we would try to take them lighter. Their shampoo has a slight blue tint to it, but I found that it does not tone the hair like a toning shampoo. It's not that strong, which I like. I've actually used the shampoo and conditioner over bright red hair, and it helped to preserve the color and keep the red in there. I've used it on pastels, vivid colors, and it kept that in there. The conditioner is very gentle too. You can use it for detangling as well. It says in the label you can nourish and detangle high lift or highlighted blondes. Let's see, it's really simple to use. I will say that with the conditioner, you're gonna wanna leave it in for the 2 minutes. It says leave in 1 to 2 minutes, so it's not like shampoo. Throw the conditioner in and quickly rinse it out. Leave it in for at least 2 minutes. You can actually do a little bit longer if you'd like to. And then what you would do once a week or twice a week at the most would be to use the Perfect for Platinum Reconstruct Repair Mask. This is an intensive mask. It's really good to deep condition with. You want to leave it in for 5 minutes and you're going to rinse. So what you'll do is shampoo, do the mask, rinse the mask, and then condition over it to seal that in there. This will open up the cuticle, so you might get a little bit of fadage with this, but it does nourish the hair and the hair feels amazing after. It doesn't have that gross, sticky, gummy feeling. And the next product I'm going to be reviewing is the Perfect for Platinum Miracle Filler Treatment. I literally have enough for a last few sprays in here. So this is really cool because the Miracle Filler will fill in gaps in fragile porous hair, leaving high lifted or highlighted blondes soft and shiny again. So what you're gonna do is apply this to damp hair and then you'll style as usual. I have also found really good use for this, for using this on hair that is about to be relaxed or permed, especially for perms. If you have multiple porosities in the hair, you would wanna use the thiofree perm, but also take this and spritz it through, because what this is gonna do is add the protein to the lightened ends of the hair so they don't fry off or break off when you're doing the perm. I also do this every time I lighten hair, so I'll go through and I'll spray everything just in case there's that little bit of overlap, you don't get that breakage or dryness, because it fills in the gaps and helps prevent against breakage and damage. So any good blonde line would not be complete without a special treatment. So this is the Cool Blonde Enhancing Treatment. This is going to be used for cool blondes, and what this is, it's like a color depositing deep conditioner. It's very hard to see, but it's like a light purpley color. But what this does is it will add the pigment back in the hair, so it's a gentle toner that you can use at home instead of going to a salon. So what you'll do is you're gonna put it on the hair and leave it in there until you see the desired tone. So anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. I've heard of people leaving this on for 20 minutes if you so choose. I actually like this a lot because it does give you a nice tone at home, and it would be a good way to maintain the blonde. So when you're going to the salon, you don't have this amazing color that completely gets wrecked by environmental exposure. You can actually go at home, tone it yourself at home, and then go into the salon. So it would actually help you get by longer while keeping the integrity of the hair. And what I like about this is that this doesn't over deposit, so it's not gonna be like you're gonna go to a beauty supplier, get all this stuff, and then attempt on your own to tone your hair at home without knowing what you're doing. Don't ever do that. This is a nice semi-permanent color that will last about 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks. So you can use any of these products as you see fit. I personally love to use this one every 2 weeks, and then use the Perfect for Platinum once a week as a deep conditioning treatment for especially fragile hair, and it will help bring damaged hair back from the brink. So Pureology does it again with their amazing products. I really love the Perfect for Platinum line for your blondes or any hair that's been lifted, whether it's a high lift brown, high lift red. It's a really good line without causing dryness or compromising the hair. So I'm gonna end the video here. Let me know if you guys have any questions for Perfect for Platinum. It is being discontinued, but you can find a lot of these products at Salon Centric still, or in your local salon if you are looking. Some of them may offer a discount. It's still a good product, but make sure you check it out if you have dry, damaged, or overly lightened or permed hair. It's a great product line. It's well worth the money. It is a little pricey, but you pay for what you get. And if your hair is in dire condition, you can't afford to invest in cheap products. It's like if you get your hair colored professionally by a colorist and you're going and using dollar store hair products. It doesn't always work. So like, comment, hit the subscribe button down below if you like these videos. I'm gonna be on with more videos, and if you guys have any questions about the Perfect for Platinum, comment down below and I'll see if I can answer them for you. Thank you.